Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. This video is specially for all my junior students and all the elementary school teachers because this is going to solve a long time problem for the students. Subtraction with borrowing is converted to subtraction without borrowing. So is that possible? Yes, it is. When you are subtracting from base numbers, like you are doing 400 minus 173, 400 has zeros, right? And when you have zeros at the end of the first number, then subtraction will surely involve borrowing. And that's where the students are committing errors. So I'm going to convert those problems of subtracting with borrowing to subtracting without borrowing. And believe it or not, this is already documented in our ultimate guide to speed maths, which I'm going to show you. And if you are an elementary school teacher, if you are a parent, please purchase that book. It is a very nominal costing book, and which will help your child develop those tendencies right at the basic level so that they don't struggle in mathematics at higher level. So I'll show you those books also, but first the trick involved in this particular video. For that, let me take a simple example of subtracting 500 and 276. See, if you are a maths teacher, a parent, maybe somebody who is above 10 years of age, you will do this orally, right? But I'm talking about the junior students. I'm talking about those who make errors in borrowing. So let's simplify this for. So obviously you have to borrow 1 from 0, and 0 doesn't have anything, so borrow 1 from 5 and then give it to next 0. A lot of things involved, and students do get confused. So let's simplify. So instead of doing 500 minus 276, let us reduce the first number by 1, which gives me a 499, and reduce this number by 1, which gives me 275. And suddenly, subtraction here does not involve any borrowing. Here, it was all borrowing from here to here, from here to here. No borrowing here. But is the answer same? Let's check. No borrowing. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 224. And you already knew it, right? The answer is 224 itself. A problem involving borrowing converted to a problem involving no borrowing just by subtracting 1. Now this method can be used for base numbers. When the first number here is a base number, right? You want me to show one more example? Let's see. 700 minus 343 converted to 699 minus 342. See, I reduced this by 1 and this by 1. My answer, what I wanted to get here, will be the same as the one I get here. 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 4, 5, and 6 minus 3, 3. There we go. 357 is the answer. Now I'll tell you more things about this borrowing thing, Before I get into that, I need to tell you the source. Where do you find all these things? At one place. Yes, the Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths Volume 1, the Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths Volume 2. 350 such methods which make you smart. You won't find a better collection anywhere on the internet or in print form. This is the thing you have to give to your students, to your children, if you are a parent. The Amazon links for purchasing this amazing combo, one-time investment, lifetime benefit, is given in the description of this video here, or you can send us a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896 369963. I told you 350 smart methods. If you are a student, an aspirant, or a maths enthusiast, this is for you. The video links are given. 2,400 practice questions, 1,300 practice questions, and quantitative aptitude will become so easy if you want to prepare for LIC, the banking, the railways, the UPSC, CAT, MAT, CLAT, so many exams are there. This is the thing you need to study to develop those basic tendencies. My WhatsApp number, you can take a screenshot, okay? Right. So I was talking about the borrowing method. The borrowing converts to non-borrowing borrowing by very little bit of smartness. See, I'll tell you one more. Suppose I have 1200, okay, and I need to subtract, say, 691 from this. Difficult, right? So can I do subtracting by 1 here like this? 1200 is 1199, 691, 690. Now here there is a very small thing which you should tell to the students. You can do it in parts. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Now this involves borrowing. But you can always take 11 and then subtract 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. And there you go. 509 is the answer. And likewise, so many different problems, like 1, 7, 2, 4. Okay. And I want to subtract 7, 1, 1 from this. Now you can actually convert this to a very simple number by subtracting 11 from this and 11 from this. Why? Because the second number becomes 700 and first number 24 minus 11 is 13. So 1713. And suddenly you realize problem is easy. 13 minus 0 is 13 itself. 17 minus 7 is 10. 1013 happens to be the difference between these two. Little bit of smartness, little bit of variation, and you will start experimenting with numbers if you have studied these two books which I have already shown you. This is volume 1, the Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths. This is volume 2. Lots and lots of videos, video links. See, I've opened a random page. See, video links are given here. If you open any page, you will have lots and lots of videos which you can watch, and you can actually see that happening in front of your eyes. So friends, subtraction with borrowing can be converted to subtraction without borrowing. So go for this amazing combo which I just now told you, and I hope you have understood what is actually to be done when you have to simplify the problem for the junior kids. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends who are struggling in such concepts, who are looking to clear those competitive exams, and who are looking to minimize the errors in calculations. So work out 30-40 such questions and let me know in the comments below, is it working for you? All the best.